Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to watch French TV abroad. Now, if you want to watch French TV, there's lots of great channels. One of the best, I think, is M6. It used to be called M6 Replay, and it's got loads of stuff online, and it's great. Obviously if you can speak French, it's brilliant. If you're learning French, it's really useful because there's lots of famous US programs and English-speaking programs that are being dubbed into French, and lots of. It's quite good to pick up on, obviously, French news and French current affairs. The problem is, this is what happens. Let's just show me. This is M6, and if we go and watch the video, this says basically, sorry, this video is not accessible in your country, and that means if it's decided you're outside France. Like nearly every large national TV stations, you can only access them from the domestic market. So French TV is usually licensed to French users. You go to the UK and BBC One and ITV, the big channels there, you can only access them if you're a British user. There are other restrictions. Obviously, the UK has a TV license. Not sure if the French have a TV license. Anyway, but basically you can't access because it's looked at your IP address, that little network number that everybody gets when they connect to the internet, and says, hang on, this is registered outside France. You can't watch. Okay, so what I'm going to do is show you the quick trick now, how you can watch any of the French TV channels. I'll put a little list of channels in the description here, but I'll use M6 for here, just as a demonstration. So let me just close that now. And let's go and show you how you change your IP address. Now, I'm showing you French TV, but it actually works for any TV channel, really. This is NordVPN. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. It's an encrypted tunnel between you and a server across the world. And you can see this is NordVPN. There's a description discount link below if you're interested in buying NordVPN. And you can see they've got servers all over the world, including UK to US, Japan, Thailand. You name it, they've got it, really. Now, the trick about using a VPN is primarily designed for security, so it encrypts all your data and keeps it secure, but it also hides your location. So at the moment I'm in the UK, and therefore I've got a UK IP address, which is why none of the French TV works. But if I connect to a French VPN server, this will no longer be the case. And I've just clicked on France, and it's connected to a French VPN server. Now, any website I go to will think I'm in France. So let's see how this has changed things. Let's go back now. Of course, we've now got a French IP address, okay? So let's go back to M6 and we will then see what happens. So remember, this is the site we went to before. Now, I'm logging into this one. I've got an account. It's very easy to create. You just need an email address. There's no cost. And I think it's the same with all the French TV stations listed below in the description. If you look in the description at the top, we've got a discount link to NordVPN. And just below, there's a list of French TV stations that you can use. So what should we... Well, we'll just watch anything. Watch the video. And remember, we got a message saying it was not available in your location. And now... And you can hopefully see it's going to stream perfectly well. So this is streaming down a French VPN server to the UK. And I can watch whenever I want. Obviously, I've got... advert breaks there as well. M6 is funded by adverts, as most commercial TV channels are nowadays, apart from the BBC, of course. And that's how it works. So basically, I've got a French IP address, so all the French TV stations will work. Remember, as I'm in the UK, while I'm connected to the French VPN, I won't be able to watch BBC on ITVX until I disconnect, because it will also see the French IP address. But this is why a VPN is so useful. I can go over and watch US Netflix or channels like CBC, ABC in the USA, or ABC in Australia is quite good, or Canadian TV. You just pick the appropriate VPN server, and you can change locations. So all your browsing will be linked to the IP address that you have. So just remember that when you, for instance, Google with a French IP, you'll get French search results. Stuff like that. Okay, but it's just easy to turn off anyway. So and that's all there is to it. That's how you watch French TV shows abroad, and I hope that's been useful for someone. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.